Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing good. On the occasion of World Heart Day, I'm to discuss about something very important, that is our heart, which we always ignore. Do you know our heart beats over 100,000 times a day, but we always tend to take it for granted. Being a cardiopulmonary physiotherapist, I have seen that lifestyle can either damage your heart or protect your heart. But the good news is, most of the heart diseases are preventable. We just have to take few changes. It's not as difficult as we think. Just take out 30 minutes from your daily routine. Walk for 30 minutes a day. Choose healthy eating habits. Quit smoking. And do your regular health checkup. So let's take a pledge. Move more. Take deep breaths. Eat healthy. Stay healthy. I want to end by saying that if you take care of your heart, the heart will take care of you. Happy World Heart Day. Thank you.